Manlangit?
Sitio man siya sa barangay Alubihid, good ma'am.
Ah, okay. So the name of the sitio is Manlangit.
Manlangit.
Abi magunahog Manlangit sir kay dool sa langit.
Yung nila, Manheaven Mendoza.
Manheaven. So, hi! Sid, how's the feeling na nag-open na ang Manlangit Nature Park?
Overwhelming siya.
I'm happy kayo.
At the same time,
Challenging.
Just night. Just night.
Just night. Alright. So, basically, this is the bar, right?
Yes.
If you're going to rate 1 to 10, what will be your rate?
10, of
So, how's the Manlangit Nature Park? Nice view.
Pindot ang iyang panoramic view.
Yeah.
360 degrees talaga.
Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my new vlog. So finally mga kabangs, we're here at Manlangit Nature Park, the most awaited to open. One of the beautiful destinations here in Buenavista, Agusan del Norte, the Manlangit Nature Park. Just keep on watching. So this is the entrance mga kabangs. So as you can see mga kabangs, na pa yung mga buildings nga wala pa nahuman because this is the soft opening, dili pa na siya grand opening. Ay bon. You know what mga kabangs, this side here, from here to there, this is one of my favorite spots here at Manlangit Nature Park. Why? Because this side is so refreshing. You look at mga kabangs. This is like a picnic area. Yes, a picnic area where you can have food and drinks with your friends, having chit-chat while viewing the place. So this part here is the gazebo area. Wow! So as you notice mga kabangs, every table na nagid siya reserved. So mangita mi dili siya reserved.
A few inches later.
Hi, what's your name?
Caroline, ma'am.
Caroline?
Caroline Satori.
Ah, okay. How's the feeling nga nag-open na ang Manlangit? Feeling excited?
At last na open again.
Yeah, finally nag-open na yun ang Manlangit Nature Park. Why is it Manlangit? Ganun Manlangit man?
Yung nila, Manheaven Mendoza.
Manheaven. So literally Manlangit siya. It's because it's closer to heaven. Kaya daan siya sa peak.
Yes,
diba? Ang location ani is nasa sa peak, sa mountain. Oh, pila ang gazebo?
1.5, ma'am.
1.5?
Yes.
So 1.5 good for how many persons man na siya?
6 to 7 person na.
6 to 7 persons. Yeah, ang habot na picnic.
500 na sa picnic.
Ah, okay. 500 ang picnic.
Inclusion na pillows, then kanang
kana siya tanan. So 500 na siya mga kabangs, and then the gazebo is 1,500.
8 hours na sila tanan na mga
8 hours. Okay.
ang umbrella.
Okay, so 8 hours. Kasi name na to, sir.
Jomar ma'am.
Okay, sir. Kanang why is it Manlangit?
Sityo mo ni siya sa Barangay Alubihid, good ma'am.
Ah, okay. So the name of the city is Manlangit.
Manlangit.
Okay, so this is named after the city name Manlangit. Abi man ko na Manlangit sir kay dool sa langit. Pwede sa, di ba? Okay. So, another inclusion for the 210 pesos mga kabangs is the e-bike. So, libre ni siya. Included ni siya sa 210. Kay, actually, diri ang mga kabangs, ang ilahang mga area, for example, the cafeteria is medyo layo siya. So, medyo layo siya pagtasun. That's why, magsakay kita mga ingani. Ali, na sis! How's the feeling sir nga nag-open ang Manlangit? Usually pila ka hours ni siya makuan, ma-full?
Yes, sir.
8 hours? Yeah man, I'm with Joshua, the King Badger of the city. Kung low ba siya, kuhan din siya, automatically off yun. So this is the restaurant here. Wow! This area here mga kabangs, naadiri ang restaurant and then the snack bar. So as you can see,
Nice.
Nice! Yes, nice. Hi! Sid, how's the feeling na nag-open na ang Manlangit Nature Park?
Overwhelming siya.
Why is it Manlangit, Sid?
Kaya doon man siya sa langit.
So ikaw mo, sa'yo mo feeling mga nag-open na ang Manlangit?
Happy kayo.
At the same time,
Siya, challenging.
challenging, no? Kung busy mo itong, wala pa mo nag-open, mas masamot mo ka-busy karon.
Yes. Sa amo pong mga trainings na apod may mga kuha nga mga maayo pod.
Then, one of the best part of here is makamit mo new people every day. Diba? Thank you! Thank you! Very accommodating kaya mga staff, very ang mga So this is the ticket mga kabangs. This is 210 pesos. Yes, this is 210. And then you need to have this before you can enter this Manlangit Nature Park. And then the 100 of your 210, 100 of this is consumable. So it's up to you whether you will buy milk tea or popcorn or any snacks. Look at the view mga kabangs. Wow! Look at the restaurant guys, very busy. So daghan na gani siya tao karon pa lang gani. Say oras Bones?
4:24.
4:20 pa. So how much more if 6 p.m. na or 7 p.m. So mas mudaghan pa gid siya diri. Anyway, people here are observing also social distancing. So no worries mga kabangs. And then before ka mo enter sa Manlangit na sila temperature check. And then there is also monitoring. Look at the view mga kabangs. So the restaurant here mga kabangs is overlooking, yes, overlooking siya while you're eating. At the same time, you're enjoying the view here, yes.
A few moments later.
You look up there.
area.
So, ingani ka dako ang Manlangit mga kabang. So, aside from the gazebo and the picnic, there's also umbrella here, guys. This side. There. So, there mga kabangs, there will be an ostrich viewing. So, come on. Here it is, the ostrich viewing. Come.
Ay, asa lagi palit?
Ah, manigi palit ya.
Sa kuan bukid nun.
Ha? Sa Bukidnon? As in, pila na sa kabuok tanan?
Pangit 14 man
Ano na ya? Feeds lang, feeds.
Oh.
Kana pareha sa kuan?
Oh, pares manok pa gud yung.
Okay.
Siga sa giya.
So what time mag-kuan diri murag mag-lights on?
6 p.m.
6 p.m.
Siga na gini siya. Amo na
So automatic na siya mo siga 6 p.m.
siga ma'am.
So solar na din siya, no?
Kaning
Solar.
kaning electric alas 6 gipod. Oh. Ang bar ninyo, muna no? Yes, sir. Sa babaw?
Ay, abi na kong event area,
Event
bar.
area.
din.
Nag-set up po nila sir para sa event karon.
That is, usa event karon. So mga kabangs, the opening here is until 9 p.m. Yes. And right now, we're waiting for the lights on. Unsa ba time? Oy, unsa na time?
5:30.
So, time check, it's 5:30 at exactly 6 p.m. At exactly 6 p.m., automatic na siya mo lights on because most of the lights here are solar. Yes, kana siya guys. Solar na siya guys.
A few inches later.
Lang kami.
Atong name, sir?
My name is Glenn pala. Glenn Vincent Peterson from
Glenn?
Mambahaw, Camigen.
Ah, Glenn Vincent Peter?
Peterson.
Ah, Peterson?
Ang apelido ko.
Okay. Half, sir? Ikaw, sir. Name na to, sir.
Okay, Dave Loquero from Hingog City.
Both teacher and
Oh,
So,
same day?
teacher po ba?
teacher ka man.
Hindi alam. Sa Nasipit National High School.
Okay, sa City.
Paano hindi ka pa mag-iuog? So, layo. As in,
Buko nila all the way from Kuan.
So, nakakuan man yung Manlangit Nature Park through Facebook.
Yes, nag-advertise sila.
How's the Manlangit Nature Park?
Okay lang, nice view ma'am.
Nice view?
Pinot ang iyang panoramic view.
Yeah.
360 degrees talaga. Ma'am,
Ha?
yun na yung
Riva.
Amang Riva.
Oo, Riva.
Kaya ka tuwing may
Mendoza.
magkakabang ka.
Wala, uy.
Most
5 million naman siguro kasi.
Dili po. 3 lang ma'am.
Bye-bye mga kabahay.
So mga kabangs, this is the bar area. This is the bar
Yes.
/ event area. So wala pa siya nahuman. So hopefully kani siya no iniga grand opening wala ni. Hindot na kayo sa hatanan.
Pero asa ka balis ka?
Okay.
Stop.
Luis. So what will be the activity tonight, sir?
Tonight pala is jazz night. Oh, jazz night. At mayroon
Jazz night? Jazz night. Alright. Right. So this is, basically this is the bar, right?
Yes.
And then / event area.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so kani siya diri sir, ang style niya is overlooking lang siya. Wala siya yung mga glass.
Actually,
what up.
temporary lang po ito.
Temporary lang.
Gagawin po itong old class.
So the event will start at exactly what time, sir?
6.
6. And then it will end 9 p.m. Sir,
9 kasi. Oh, may curfew.
Okay. What I love this one is that ang bar ang pinakahindot nga spot, right? Is because among all the spots here, kani siya ang pinaka-summer siya. Nasa peak. Mas ma-view ni mo ang city lights. Right there. Actually, ang mga lights is the lights on. Oo. So, kung ano, kung mamani siya, nice na kayo ni. Kay Sir Luis, ha?
Sir Luis.
How's the place? How's Manlangit Nature Park?
Oh my God! The place?
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Wonderful and
Marvelous. Though it's not really that, fully furnished or
soft opening pa magod.
Yes, but it's great talaga siya, no?
Yeah.
Walay atik.
If you're going to rate 1 to 10, what will be your rate?
10, of
Ay!
course.
Buenavista Hanon.
Ano ba?
Hi, sir.
Hello!
Hi, this is Sir Benson. And he's having his vlog also. Subscribe to his channel.
Don't forget to subscribe to Virgin's Corner.
Virgin's Corner.
Virgin's Corner, VRJIENS.
Ganahan ko sa Virgin's Corner or
Langgana. O, diba?
so mga virgin na ganda pwede dito
Ay, dili
picture.
uta na mga virgin. O, diba? Sa iyong channel po, Mem.
Riva, Mendoza. Ako lang nalan. Kalan lang.
Perfect. I will subscribe you later.
Pam!
Dahil lang na po siya i-subscribe.
Hug to hug.
This content form channel siya.
Haha?
Content form channel lang siya.
Content form channel?
It's mostly
What do you mean by that?
kanamurag. I don't actually make real content. It's more like something I post back and back and back.
One eternity later.